Installing the rear license plate on a 2026 Model Y Juniper. Now for the rear plates, there's some little divots here that indicate where the screws should go in. And for the US plates, it looks like the very top divots line up with the plate holes, and then the two bottom ones here line up with the bottom holes. Now it rained a lot yesterday. There was a lot of thunderstorms, so it's pretty filthy. I don't like to work on a dirty surface, so I'm going to go ahead and spray some soapy water, even though it's not likely to damage this surface since it is matte plastic. It's not likely to damage it if it's not perfectly clean. But anyhow, I don't like to work on a dirty surface. Now what comes in the kit to mount the plates, this is a front plate mount, and it comes with 8 screws. It looks like all 8 screws are the same. It's 4 screws for the back, drill and screw in directly into this plastic. So let's take out these screws. Now it looks like an 1/8 inch drill bit is the right size. It's just a little bit smaller than these holes in the front mounting plate. So I'm going to use that size as a guide. With an 1/8 of an inch drill bit, you are smaller than the threads. Once more, let's confirm what holes are the right holes. Yeah, the 2 top holes here, and then these 2 divots here on the bottom. Let's go ahead and pre-drill them. It's not very thick. I was hoping it was thicker plastic, but now I am going to use a manual screwdriver so I don't over torque things, instead of using an electric screwdriver, which I do have. But before I tighten that one all the way, let me get the other ones started. Yeah, the second one got going better. I just needed to apply more pressure. Let's line up the bottom ones. The next size up drill bit would work a little bit better, but I'd rather err on the lower side. You can always make a hole bigger, you can't make it smaller. This doesn't seem like the most secure mounting method to me. I'm tempted to add some 3M adhesive behind it, double-sided tape. This is Tesla provides. Let's test it out, and I can report back if it held or not. It does seem to allow you to torque it pretty solidly, so that's a good sign. And you can still strip it if you're not careful, but it does tighten down pretty well. It seems to be fairly well designed to allow for a good amount of torque. I'll watch these, see how well they hold. Subscribe for more Tesla tips and mods, and if you're looking to buy a Tesla, use my referral code in the description for the latest Tesla discounts.